guess what I'm doing? I am making money by just chilling on the couch. Oh yes, there are options out there where you can make money at home, answering surveys, giving your opinion, what a lot of you like to do already anyway. So if you're interested in stuff like that, then you definitely want to pay attention.
But hold up, it's been a minute since I've done comment of the week. This is where I recognize a diva or devo for spreading positivity on my channel. Oh, you are awesome. And if you're one of those people that are wondering, how can I be featured? Well, it's super easy. All you have to do is come show me some love in the comments. Drop a comment here or over on Instagram, or you can even tag me in your IG stories. And don't forget to mention me at Deal Finding Diva. It's easy.
Do a girl a favor before we get into it. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, turn on those notifications, and let's talk about making money while chilling on the couch. Alright, divas and devos, so let's jump right into it. So I have a few different options for you all to make money not just chilling at home on the couch. The first option that I want to drop for you is a gem, and it is called Opinion In. So Opinion In is basically what the name describes. You can actually give your opinion and get money for doing it. So I'm actually going to try out Opinion In. Let you just see what it's hitting for over on Opinion In. So as you can see, once you sign up, it is so easy to maneuver this site. It's like, come on now, anybody can do it. So you can go right here to surveys, and you can click my survey, and it'll give you a list of options for surveys that are available for you to do. But remember, you have to qualify for surveys. They're not just going to pay you for every little survey that you may not even have experience in. So just remember that. But this is a great way to earn some extra cash on the side. An Opinion In will give you a sign-up bonus of $10. Yes, that's 10 extra dollars once you earn $25. So bam, you earn 25, you end up with 35. Talk about a deal. And another thing that's great about Opinion In is the surveys are clutch, because you can earn from $1 to $100 per survey. Oh yes, I said $100 for a survey. Guess what? Opinion In is in several countries, including UK, Canada, US, a bunch of them. So definitely check it out. Click the link down below and just see for yourself, see if it works in your country. Because I'm going to tell you, a lot of y'all, you'll get in the comments and then you'll be like, does it work in my country? Just click the link and find out if it works in your country. Do me that favor, okay? Because I can't do that for everybody. I just need you to just click that little button down below. So the way Opinion In works is you can give your opinion on services or products that companies have to offer, and these companies are worldwide. So yes, this definitely works in a variety of countries as well, so make sure you check that out. But there are a lot of people signing up for Opinion In. I know a lot of you may not have heard of it, but I'm telling you, there's a lot of people. I'm actually affiliated with Opinion In, so I got the inside scoop, and I'm gonna tell you, there's 15 to 20,000 people signing up for Opinion In every month. So you definitely want to get the surveys and stuff while it's hot, while you still can get them while they're available, because there's a lot of people clawing at those surveys right now. So yes, Opinion In will be linked down below. So the next one is InboxDollars. InboxDollars is like legendary. InboxDollars, they will pay you for your opinion, of course. Again, we all like to give our opinion, right? So with them, you can go in there and answer surveys and earn money. So typically the surveys are like 50 cents to $1, but you can earn by doing like a bunch of surveys. So with InboxDollars, you don't just get paid for doing surveys. There are also options for playing games, watching videos. So you definitely want to see it for yourself and click the link down below. Check out InboxDollars. This is actually one of the original OG survey sites out there. You can definitely trust InboxDollars. They are good. So the third option that I have for you all is ySense. So ySense is like a little sneaky one. They are on the low. They are not one of the ones that are talked about very much, but ySense is really good because you can actually chill on the couch, answer your surveys, or you can do offers. So that's like, for example, downloading an app and playing a certain game. Yeah, you can actually earn money for doing those things. Let me let you know off the gate. They're available in a bunch of different countries, including, of course, the US. But we're talking about Germany, the UK, Canada. They are a lot of places. So for those of you that wanted to know that, then yeah, they are available worldwide. So check them out on that tip. But I know what you want to know is, what are they going to give me? ySense gives you a bunch of different options to cash out once you earn enough to cash out. So the options include a bunch of different gift cards. They also have the option to cash out through PayPal. So what does that mean? Some cash in your pocket. That's right. So that money can go right to your PayPal account. So there again are so many different ways to earn free gift cards and cash through ySense. And of course, use my link, get your bonus. They sometimes change the bonuses, so just check out what the current bonus is by clicking the link down below. Doesn't matter what country you are in, make sure you use that link. And plus, you know, you're helping a single mom out when you do use my links. So I appreciate you for that. So I told you, you can actually make money by sitting on your couch, just chilling, and it is no joke. You can actually do it. I've done it plenty of times. I love to just chill out, watch some TV, listen to podcasts, stuff like that while doing surveys. So yes, these are some awesome options for you all, and I hope you like them. And if you did like them, please let the algorithm know that you liked it by hitting that thumbs up button. And also, please, again, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications if you're not yet a diva or a devo. So with that said, I will see you all in the next video. So, and I don't remember what sign-up bonus is. In a bunch of different they're available. So, let me. I forgot to say. Chill out, watch some TV, and how's that for winging it?